Most of men are complaining about women. When she get a job and start earning a better salary, they stop respecting their husbands. Even men, they can do worse than women, especially a man. He start earning a lot of salary, the first thing came in his head is to buy a car. After buying a car, he start cheating on you, and you start saw his true colors, that he truly loves you or not, because most of the men, they are staying with women they don't love because they don't have money. But when he start get a lot of money, you have to show that when you saw your husband, he is still respecting you, he have got money, the life is changing. You have to know that it's your soulmate. Most of the men, they start changing their behavior. Sometimes you can regret, why my husband is getting a lot of money, what you can regret that maybe God will leave you with your poorly life, because when you don't have money at that time, you are poor, he was respecting you, and you are living a happily marriage. But when a lot of money comes, a lifestyle changes, you are staying in a mansion, you have got cars, you have got cars, what things are changed. It's very easy a man to cheat on you with a car than a man who doesn't have a car, because a man who doesn't have a car, most of women are not interested on him. But when you've got a car, it's very easy. Men nowadays, they can seduce women with a car and say, baby, wait, you understand? And women, they fall in love a lot with a man who have got a car. So you can regret that, why God gives you, my husband, a lot of money, because now he starts changing on you, what all the time. He doesn't not love you. He was staying with you because he doesn't have a choice. He's the type, he can't afford his type at that time. You understand? Maybe he married you because you understand his situation at that time. But now his life is better. He can choose whichever, whoever he want to date. So you have to be careful, women. Sometimes you say, I have to date him because you love him with who he is, because of his situation. He doesn't have a lot of money, and you show him how to do business, how you can run your business, or you pray every day for your husband to be successful. It's your fasting. You are fasting, guys. You don't eat the food, you are busy praying. Now his life is changed. But when you know that when his life is changed, even you and your kids, you are happy. But it's not like that. Your husband dumps you because he have got money, you understand it? So you have to be careful, women. It's not about women, men. Even women, they can do the same thing. You can send your wife to school and being successful and dump you because you are no longer in the same level with her.